Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, bye. So this is one eyebrow all done, and then this one I haven't touched yet, so I'm gonna walk you guys through how I do my brows. So I actually left my dip brow and my NYX pencil back in Atlanta, and I actually go on the plane tonight to go back to school. So I've just been using eyeshadow since I've been home. Into my Modern Renaissance palette, this brown shade right here. I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm gonna go into that color. I'm gonna tap it once, just one time. Start from the middle of my brow. I'm not gonna start all the way over here because that's how your brows look really, really boxy. I've had experiences with that in the past. I just look at old pictures and I'm like, what the f was I thinking? Like, honestly. I'm gonna start in the middle. And I'm overdrawing the bottom because I don't have really much of an arch at the bottom. Now I'm gonna tap into this one more time, and I'm gonna start filling in the middle. So now that most of the middle is all filled, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not going back into the palette. I'm gonna use whatever is left on this brush and I'm gonna lightly fill in the bottom part of the brow. I'm not gonna go to the top, just the bottom. Okay, I lied. I just did tap into the pan. And it was on accident, to be honest. I didn't even realize it. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna start swiping it upwards. I'm not trying to draw a straight line at the top, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna swipe the rest of the product upward. So I'm gonna take this LA Pro concealer right here and I'm gonna take a flat top brush. So I'm gonna take a rounded brush like this. Focus, focus. Baby, can you focus? I'm gonna go into my arch and I'm going to go over where I filled in my brow a little bit just to make it look like I have more of an arch on my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna take a concealer that is the same, it's by the same brand, but this color is a little bit more my skin tone. I'm gonna take this on the brush and I'm gonna fill in the top. Why do I keep saying fill in? I mean outline the top. I messed it up. Fix it up, fix it up, fix it up, fix it up. I'm gonna take my spoolie so that I can kind of fade in where the top part of the brow is so it doesn't look super harsh. Alright, so the very last thing that I'm gonna do is take this rounded brush again and I'm going to very lightly go over the very top, the very front of my eyebrow. Just a little bit. I'm gonna actually take the concealer through the front of my eyebrow. You see how over here it looks like there's actual hairs coming out? That's what I want to do to this. Only taking a little bit. I'm just gonna blend out this part of the concealer. Brows are, oh shoot, I almost forgot, gel, and I'm gonna put it all through the brow. It's just gonna help to make sure that my brows stay in place during the day. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes and my wig and I'll be right back. Okay, for real, let me stop playing because I got a flight to catch, so I'll see y'all later. Ow! Wet, 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 wet.